Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, and today we have another product from AngelHalo. This time they sent us their 3D Christmas tree topper. Now this is another smart light device, so it will sync with your phone and with your smart devices to have all sorts of effects and controls. Given the fact that it's the holiday season, I think this would be a great thing to look at on the channel, and AngelHalo has provided me with a ton of great products so far. If you're familiar with my channel, they've also provided me with smart bulbs that I use in my studio, as well as a smart LED light strip that I've used to do accent lighting in my bedroom and along my stairs. So without further ado, let's hop into the box and see what this product is all about. So in the box we have the setup for the star, a stand for your tree or for wherever you choose to mount the star. There is a control remote, an additional rod if you need to extend the star higher up than the mount allows. And then we have some setup directions. You can see the star itself runs off a USB hookup. It does not come with a dongle for this to plug into the wall, so if you are powering this via a wall socket, you will have to get that separately. Now, as far as setting this up, this just folds around itself, and it has these little clips here that will lock it into place as you pull it together to create the three-dimensional star. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that now. So as you see, when you press this together, this clip just pushes back down to lock it into place. And then we do the same on the other side once it's all pinched together to keep it as one solid piece. And just like that, you have a very cool looking three-dimensional star to act as your tree topper. Final step here is to add in the plastic rod. And then add in the little metal bracket so that this can top off your tree or setup. And yeah, there you have it, very cool looking. Now let me go ahead and plug this in to make sure everything works as it should, and then we will get this on the tree and show it off in action. And it does appear to be working correctly. As soon as I plugged it in, it started flashing so I can sync it. So I'm actually gonna do that really quickly right now. I already have the app installed because I have other AngelHalo devices. They utilize the Lumeri app, which makes syncing products such as this extremely easy. Simply go to the app, add a new device. You'll notice that it's already discovered this device with its auto detection feature. And with one click, the Christmas tree topper has been added. And yeah, within the app, it looks like it already has a bunch of different built-in effects that you can utilize. So I'm very excited to stick this up on the tree and see what this looks like. So yeah, with all that installed, let's move on to the actual install on the tree so we can see what this looks like in practice. So really not too much to this install. You're just gonna take your tree topper, position it on the top of your tree, and then fiddle around with it until it is about even at the top and looks good from afar. While doing this, you wanna make sure it's set up so that the wire is trailing off to the back and that you can easily hide it within the tree wherever you choose to plug this in. Once plugged in, you simply turn this on with your phone and then wait until it gets dark to see the best effects. So I think this is a really awesome tree topper and definitely one of the best that I've ever experienced on our tree. The lights and effects are all very cool, and you can completely customize it to your own personalized look, or else choose one of the great sets of special effects that come built into the app. Setup could not be easier, and the app gives you all sorts of controls such as a timer and schedule, so you can really make this work however you want for your holiday setup. In particular, I think this really complemented the twinkly smart lights that I already had up on my tree. Also, the star design being three-dimensional makes it a really great look, especially if your tree is in a position where it can be viewed from multiple angles. It's the first time I've seen this in a star, and the first star that I've had that has this look, and I really love the effect it gives for the room and the tree itself. All this to say, if you're looking for the best in class for a smart holiday tree topper, definitely check out AngelHalo's design. As always, I'll leave links in the description if you're interested in this product or any of the other AngelHalo products that I've reviewed on this channel. But yeah, that's all I had to talk about today. If you did enjoy this content and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.